Problem 23. A company developed a box in the shape of a triangular prism as shown below. If it's a triangular prism, the base is a triangle by definition. So the base is this triangle. Anywhere parallel to that base, you would get a congruent triangle with these same dimensions. So the volume for a triangular prism is base, the area of the triangular base, times the height. The height in this case being 9 centimeters, but we don't need to know that information in order to solve this problem, because the problem is asking us which expression can be used to find big B, the area of the base, in square centimeters. So there are actually two pieces of extraneous information in this problem. We'll talk about that in a minute. We just want to find the expression to find big B, and big B, just need to know that big B is the area of the base. In this case, the area of this triangle. So let's draw that triangle a little bigger. The perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base is 4. That's the height of that triangle, or the altitude of that triangle. And the base, little b base of that triangle, is 6 centimeters. So the area formula for a triangle, if you look on your tax math chart, is base times height over 2 divided by 2, or 1/2 times base times height, same thing. So for this triangle, area equals 6, the base, little b, times 4, the height, over 2. And that area is the same as big B, because the area of the base of the triangle, the area of the base of the prism is big B. So 6 times 4 over 2, and that's answer choice C. There were two pieces of extra information. They gave us the height of the prism, which we would need to find the volume of the prism if they were asking us to solve for that, but they're not. And they've also given us this dimension, that this side of the triangle is 5 centimeters. But we don't need that information to solve for the area of that triangle. We just need the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. So they're trying to throw you off with that information. But the area of the base of the prism is the area of that triangle, which is little b, 6, times the height, or the altitude, which is 4, all over 2. Answer choice C. Okay, problem 24. The grid below shows the path of a bike trail. So we have the path of this bike trail mapped out on this coordinate plane. And then the question asks which of the following best represents a point that lies on the bike trail. So we're going to plot all these points and see which one lies on this trail. Answer choice F, 2, -5. Now the only really difficult part about this is remembering that ordered pairs are in this order X, Y. And if you ever forget that, that's the same order they are in the alphabet, X, Y, Z. So X always comes before Y, same in the ordered pair. X is first and then Y. So always start at the origin. We're going to move to X equals 2, Y equals -5. So positive 2, so that's 2 to the right. And then 5 down, -5. 1, 2, 4, 5. That's the point right there, and that's not on the trail. So rule out answer choice F. Answer choice G, -5, -3. So start at the origin. Move 5 to the left for -5x. 1, 2, 3, 5. And then move 3 down for -3y. 1, 2, 3. That's nowhere near the bike trail, so rule out answer choice G. Answer choice H, 4, positive 3. So start at the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4 in X, and then up 1, 2, 3 in Y. That also is not on the bike trail. Now the last one must be the correct answer. Let's check it. 2, 0. So X is positive 2, 1, 2, and then 0, so we don't move up or down at all. We're right there on the X-axis, and that is on the bike trail, so that's the correct answer. And I think if you go through this test, you'll notice that very often the last answer choice is the correct answer. So sometimes if you're checking through your answer choices, it might save some time by starting from the bottom and working your way up. Although I would always want to check every answer choice and rule out the ones that I think are incorrect anyway. But just some advice there.